Hey, it's Giuseppe with Zenith Home Loans. Hope you're doing great. Today, I want to spend a moment on appraisal waivers, also known as property inspection waivers. So this is when a bank will allow you to close a purchase transaction without having to do a full appraisal. There's some guidelines that you have to meet in order for this to be an option. And so I'll start off by covering that this is for conventional loans. Again, anything that meets Fannie Mae or Freddie Mac guidelines with a minimum of 20% down payment. Okay, so anything with less than 20%, anything that's an FHA loan, VA loan, or jumbo loans. Jumbo loans are loans over the conforming area limit, which, as we are talking about in the Denver market today, is $684,000. So anything above that would be considered a jumbo loan and would not be eligible for an appraisal waiver. When not everyone automatically qualifies, even if you're doing 20% down. So basically, Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac have these huge databases. They've been gathering data for decades, as especially over the last 10 years, as pretty much every home in the US with rates so low has either refinanced or been sold. And so they've been gathering that, and using their big data technology, they're estimating the value of the home essentially. So you may get an appraisal waiver at a certain price point, but not at a higher price point. So if you have a $600,000 home that's listed for $600,000, you might get an appraisal waiver at $600,000, $625,000 maybe, with a big enough down payment, maybe $650,000. We're not sure until we run it, because it really is dictated by the software. But if I, in an extreme example, would say that home, that address, we're trying to buy it for $1 million, then likely the data would say that there's no appraisal waiver granted. We have to do an appraisal. So let me know if you have any questions at all on this. We are seeing it more and more. Obviously, it's great when we see this and when we receive those results back, because it saves the buyer $600-$700, and of course eliminates the outcome of any potential appraisal gap conversations, or the transaction may be falling apart because of a low appraisal. So if you have any questions, let me know. We're glad to help. We can also run certain properties if we have the buyer pre-approved before you even go under contract. So please reach out if we can help you with that. Okay, thanks again, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.